ka seng Tiwa Lalung ka basha than khubor bat ka Assam bat ba kilayo jing ithuh naduh ki snamshia jar khandai spa sanphuwe kum ki scheduled tribe hapo jong ka jilla Assam hinrei hadien ka snamshia jar khandai spa nyu puar hadien ba ka jilla Meghalaya kalayo yala ka jong ka jilla ki khlamsha ithuh shu kum ki riew lom ki scheduled tribes wat hadien ba kila tho shaki bor ba pher ba kynthup naduh ka por jong ulit ike maulong ba long mentri rangba ka jilla ha ka te ka por bat hadu kini ki sngi ha ka jinglong mentri rangba ukan rat ke sangma bat kila airu ki jingtho hadu arsien henrei kim shim layo satya ki jubab ki bashai halor kane habakran hakilat pathai khubor u general secretary ko all Taiwan student union Meghalaya state committee ha ka jinge dan lang ki lingdo ki basan ki rangba shnong bat ki nongsong shnong ula ong ba ha kani ka jingyat ka khana samai ka balas dang menta usnam ki kwa ba ka sorkar jala kan pinskam no yaki kum ki jaitbynriew rilom ha shwa kani ka census 8000 arpanyo kumta nakaliang jongki la Dawa badai ban ithuh yaki kum ki jaitbynriew rilom jong ka jilla Meghalaya
We the Lalung, Tiwa Lalung people of Meghalaya have gathered here to bring to your attention through the media the long-standing grievances faced by our community. We identify ourselves as Tiwa, although we are also widely known as Lalung. The purpose of today's press conference is to highlight an issue of great importance to our community. As you are aware, the government of India is scheduled to conduct the general population census in 2027, and the process of house listing and house numbering will begin beforehand. This census is crucial for ensuring that every community is correctly identified and properly presented in official government records. The process of house listing and house numbering for the census is expected to commence in August 2026. However, a concern and disappointment arise from the fact that in the list of scheduled tribes prepared by the government of Meghalaya for the upcoming census, the name Tiwa Lalung are not included. The Tiwa Lalung community is one of the indigenous tribes of Meghalaya. This is historical fact that cannot be denied. Like the Khasi, Garo and Jandia communities, the Tiwa Lalung people became part of the newly created state of Meghalaya in 1972, along with their ancestral land. Historically, the ancient Goba state, the British authorities demanded that the Raja of Jandia hand over the Raja Singh of Goba. However, the Jandia Raja refused to surrender him. Consequently, both the Raja of Jandia and Raja Singh of Goba were arrested, and in 1835, the Jandia kingdom was annexed by the British. After India attained the independence, further administrative change took place. In 1951, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Mikir Hills Autonomous District Councils were established. During this reorganization, the ancient Tiwa kingdom of Goba was divided once again. The present-day Sarikrai, Sangrai, areas of River district, which now fall under the jurisdiction of Hima Khairi, remain within the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council. These areas have historically been the traditional rights of Tiwa Lalung community. Their customary village administration continues to be preserved under the traditional institution of Loro, who serve as the customary chief of the Tiwa people. These historical and customary institutions are clearly evidence of Tiwa Lalung communities' long-standing presence, governance, and cultural heritage in Meghalaya. They further strengthen our legitimate claim for recognition as a scheduled tribe in the state of Meghalaya. the areas that were once part of the ancient Khubor state, the traditional kingdom of Tiwa Lalung people, became part of the newly created state of Meghalaya in 1972. Therefore, the Tiwa Lalung people did not migrate into the Meghalaya. Rather, they became citizens of new state along with their ancestral land. Provide strong evidence in support of our long-standing demand for recognition as a scheduled tribe in the state of Meghalaya. Further, the Dr. B.S. Balajit Singh Sim, the then CM of Hima Khairin, had addressed a letter to the then Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri A.G. Maulong, supporting the rightful claim of the Tiwa Lalung community. The CM also issued a certificate affirming that the Tiwa Lalung community are integral part and parcel of Hima Khairin. Copies of these documents have been enclosed for reference Annex 2. In view of such strong historical records and official recognition, it is difficult to understand why the Tiwa Lalung community continues to be excluded from the list of scheduled tribe in the state of Meghalaya. This has been a long-standing demand consistently raised by Tiwa organizations in the Meghalaya, including All Tiwa Student Union, Meghalaya, All Tiwa Women Association, Meghalaya, Tiwa Mathon Laitokra, Meghalaya, Tiwa Cultural Society, Meghalaya. Therefore now, the Tiwa community stands united in urging the government to take immediate and necessary action to address our long-pending demand for scheduled tribe recognition and ensure justice for our community. And the government of India to resolve this long-pending issue by including the Tiwa Lalung community of Meghalaya in the list of scheduled tribe. Our demand is based not on emotion alone, but historically evidence, constitutionally principles, and the legitimate rights of an indigenous community that has been an integral part of Meghalaya since its formation. Now our demands. Through this press conference, we respectfully place the following demands before the government of Meghalaya and the government of India. Number 1, inclusion in the 2027 census. The name Tiwa Lalung should be included in the list of scheduled tribe for the purpose of the 2027 population census in the state of Meghalaya. Necessary steps should be taken immediately so that the Tiwa Lalung community is correctly recorded from every beginning of the census process in house numbering exercise scheduled to commence in August 2026. Number 2, recognition as a scheduled tribe. We reiterate our long-pending demand, which has remained unresolved for more than 3 decades, that the indigenous Tiwa Lalung community of Meghalaya be granted recognition as a scheduled tribe in the state of Meghalaya under its rightful identity of Tiwa Lalung. Our demand is based on historical evidence, official records, constitutional principles, and the continuous peaceful effort of our community. We firmly believe that justice delay should not become justice denied. Finally, on behalf of Tiwa Lalung community of Meghalaya, we once again express our sincere gratitude to all members of the electronic and print media for your valuable presence and your patience